morning everyone. Class 12 subject accountancy, chapter number 6, practicing exercise question. In our last video we had discussed the question number 24. Today we will discuss question 25, book T.S. Grewal, chapter 6. Okay, so see the book. ABC were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2 to 1. Three partners ABC, ratio 2 to 1. We retired on 31st March 2020. We retired on 31st March 2020. Okay. Some of the assets and liabilities are appear in the books as follow. So creditor 70,000 rupees, building 1 lakh rupees, plant and machinery 40,000 rupees, stock of raw material 20,000 rupees, stock of goods 30,000 rupees, debtor 20,000 rupees. Okay, question 25. Following was agreed among the partners. Prepare करना है हमें revaluation account. So preparing revaluation account. Okay. Revaluation account and following adjustment are transferring in this account. Okay. Particular amount, and amount. Okay. So adjustment, point number first, building to be appreciated by 20%. Building to be appreciated by 20%. So building book value 1 lakh rupees. Okay, building book value 1 lakh rupees. So by building account appreciated 1 lakh into 20%. Okay, so 20,000 rupees. Clear? Building book value appreciated by 20%. So building account debit to revaluation account. So by building account. Okay, first adjustment. Point number second, plant and machinery to be reduced by 10%. Plant and machinery to be reduced by 10%. So plant and machinery 40,000. Okay, so 10% reduction. So to plant and machinery 40,000, 10%, 4,000 rupees. So revaluation account debit to plant and machinery account, because 10% reduction in a plant and machinery. Clear? Point number 2. Point number 3, a provision of 5% on debtor. A provision of 5% on debtor to be created for doubtful debts. So 5% provision credited on debtor So debtors book value is rupees 20,000. Debtor book value is rupees 20,000. So to provision for bad debts. To provision for bad debts. So 20,000 into 5%, 1,000 rupees. So entry revaluation account debit to provision for bad debts या doubtful debts. To provision for doubtful debts. Clear? Point number 4. Stock of raw material to be valued 18,000 rupees. Stock of raw material to be valued 18,000 rupees and finished goods 35,000. So stock of raw material reduced. So stock of raw material to stock of raw material book value 20,000, okay, minus current value या revaluation value 18,000. So again 2,000 reduction in the stock of raw material. Here 2,000 rupees. So revaluation account debit to stock of raw material. Clear? Next, stock of finished goods book value. Stock of finished goods book value 30,000 and increased value 35,000. So finished goods stock increased. So by stock of finished goods 35,000 minus 30,000, 5,000 rupees. Here stock increase 35, revised value, book value 30,000, so 5,000 increase. Okay, clear? Next adjustment. An old computer previously written off and was sold rupees 2,000 as scrap. Old computer as scrap, 2,000 rupees is sale. So bank account debit to revaluation account. Bank account debit to revaluation account. So by bank account, okay, bracket में sale of old computer, sale of old computer rupees 2,000. Clear? Yes or no? So scrap as a sale old computer rupees 2,000. Next adjustment. Firm had to pay 5,000 rupees to an injured employee. Firm pay 5,000 rupees to injured an employee. So compensation pay to employee regarding injury, right? So entry is revaluation account debit to bank account. Entry revaluation account debit to बैंक अकाउंट अमाउंट 5,000 रुपीज, ब्रैकेट में कंपनसेशन पेड, ब्रैकेट में कंपनसेशन पेड. ओके, यस या नो? सो टू बैंक, ब्रैकेट में कंपनसेशन पेड. क्लियर? So first entry, building appreciation 10%. So by building account debit to bank, building account debit to revaluation. So by building 1 lakh into 20%, 20,000. Okay. Second transaction, plant and machinery to be reduced by 10%. So reduction in the book value. So revaluation account debit to plant and machinery account 4,000 rupees, 40,000 into 10%. Next, to provision for doubtful debts. Provision create on debtors 5%. Debtors amount 20,000. So provision create on 5%. So revaluation account debit to provision for debtors amount 1,000 rupees. To stock of raw material. Stock of raw material book value 20 and revised value 18. So reduction in value, yes. So revaluation account debit to stock of raw material amount 2,000 rupees. Again, employee injured and a claim. So compensation paid by a firm. So revaluation account debit to bank account 5,000 rupees, bracket में compensation paid. Okay. And second side, finished goods stock increase, revised value 35, book value 30. So stock of finished goods account debit to revaluation account 5,000 rupees, and sale of old computer as a scrap 2,000 rupees. So entry passing bank account debit to revaluation account. So by bank 2,000 rupees. Okay. Credit side totaling is 27. Credit side total 27,000. Clear? Yes or no? 27,000. Okay. Credit side 27 and debit side total 12,000. Okay, debit side total 12,000. Clear? So profit 15,000 rupees. So profit transfer to A, B and C. A, B and C. Profit amount 15,000 and 15,000 divided by 15,000 distributed in specified ratio. 15,000 distributed in ratio 2 to 1. 2 to 1. So 6,000. Okay. Again 6,000 and remaining 3,000 rupees. Here, so total profit is 15,000. Okay. So question number 25 complete. Preparing a revaluation account by following adjustments. Okay. So again we are passing the entry for this question. So revaluation account debit to plant and machinery, revaluation account debit to PFBD, revaluation account debit to stock of raw material, revaluation account debit to bank, or revaluation account debit to A's capital, B's capital and C's capital, profit transfer, and second side building account debit to revaluation account, stock of finished goods account debit to revaluation account, and bank account debit to revaluation account. Okay, so write on